Hey, what's up, guys? So I figured that I would film this. I just arrived to the JB Hunt Southgate shop, okay? In Southgate shop. And I'm about to pull in and we're gonna see how long it takes. God damn, for a headlight replacement and a, what do you call that? I call it the splash guard, but he called it something else. But it's a fender on the drives. The proper terminology will probably come to me in a second. But I'm gonna pull it around to where he wants me to park the truck so he can work on it. I've only been here about 10 minutes. So that's good. I'll shift the truck manually myself because I don't like when it shakes. To get into gear, it's freaking annoying. Alright, here we is. Alright. So I just pulled around. All right. So let's see, splash guard. Called it something else. So check this out. So make sure that you're always checking these, because from the vibration, they do end up breaking off. I think they need to shove them in there a little deeper. Shove it in a little harder. Let's find out what those things are called again. Hey bro, what do you call those on the front of the drives? I keep calling them a splash guard. What are they called?
Oh, quarter fenders.
A quarter fender?
Yeah, the one that's over the wheel.
Quarter fender.
Yeah.
Got it. So there you go. The quarter fender. Because it's a quarter of a fender. All right.
Yeah, we got it in, so I'll swap it off here.
Yes. Thanks, bro. So yeah, there it is. Quarter fender. So, as you can see, it's something you can easily do yourself. You just have to have the, the part. So there it is, brand new, because I'm going to Sacramento and I don't want to get pulled in by DOT and whatnot. So, yeah. You know what? This actually feels, this material here is different than, yeah. The last one was more like rubber. These are harder plastic, so I don't think we'll end up having the same problem. Besides, I'm not going to be here much longer anyway. I'll be in a new truck at a new company. I'm still not quite yet going to reveal who that company is. Oh no, it's the same thing. It is plastic. So yeah, after a while, the vibration just ends up causing it to crack and break. So, anywho, let's get back up in this truck where it's still nice and cool. We're gonna see how long. Here we are, 5 minutes 46 seconds. This actually isn't bad. I mean, he's already got the part laid out. Like I said, man, I've only been here coming up on, well, now 15 minutes from the point that I actually got here to letting them know what's up. And there he is right now. He's working on it. Sweet. Sweet. Yeah, buddy. So then after that, he'll do the headlights. So I'm gonna open this. Hey, you want me to pop open the hood since you're gonna have to replace the headlight?
Yeah, please.
Gotcha. There we go. All right. Clean the mirrors real quick with my hands. I gotta wash these windows again though, man. I just washed them last week. Look at that. We have our own little wash area here. Maybe I can show you that real quick. Got our own little truck wash station where we can pull in and do all of the cleaning ourselves. So here is a little truck wash station. A little hose there on the right, hose here on the left. There are two entrances to the yard. Well, to the garage, I should say. There's no exit or anything like that on that side of the yard. It's only towards the front. Only towards the front. Exit on the right, entrance on the left. If you're coming in, obviously, you know, that's gonna be the other way around. So, as you can see, look at that. This one's always closed. This one's always open, from what I've seen. Where they work on all the trailers. They work on the trucks on that side. Look at that. He's already got it on. Bada bing, bada boom. Good to go. He's already got this cap on the headlight popped open. Mm-hmm. My truck is so dirty. When I first got this truck, guys, damn, dude, it was even worse, in even worse condition than you're seeing right now. Terrible, terrible. I've cleaned it a lot and it still looks like shit. The guy who had this truck before, I found a like a little diary in there. It looked like he was having some girl troubles. He was talking about how you know, trucking is hard on them, and how he was just frustrated with dispatch, and I don't know, it really hasn't been that bad. He just really couldn't take being away from home. And even as a regional driver, you really don't gotta be away from home much. You know, like I've been saying, you get home 4 to 5 days a week. Man, bro, you should have seen this truck when I first got it. It was filthy.
Oh, really?
It was
You just got it recently?
bad, bro. I got it, let me see, like 2 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago? Yeah. I took it in there and I just scrubbed the hell out of it, but I still can't quite get everything off. But I don't know, I don't even care, not anymore. As long as the inside ain't all disgusting is all I really care about.
Yeah, because I think some tracks that look good on the outside and you go in and you're like, what the hell?
Damn, like there was a shit bomb.
Yeah.
That it?
Yeah, you do about you all set.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
No problem.
And work. Yeah, buddy. I'm good to go. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, no problem. Be safe out there.
You too. Look at that. Video was only 13 minutes long, and he hadn't even started working on it yet. So, JB Hunt, bro. All the workers here at the Southgate yard, good guys. They're a crew that you can bullshit around with, that you can count on to get stuff done. You know, and that's just as far as here at the Southgate yard. Okay? Right here on on Southern. So, Southern and Garfield. All right. So I got to get ready to get on out of here, go pick up my trailer, and head to Sacramento. So there it is. New splash guard, new headlight. Grand total of, let's see, it's 14 and 27 seconds now. Plus 10, 24 minutes in all. Less than 30 minutes. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Very, very good. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, you guys. Take care. Stay safe. All you truckers out there. See you on the road.